All right, so we are currently working on the shifter, and I'm getting the OEM one in, up, and into the car. It's hard to see. Hold on. Okay. Stock shifter is going up and into the car. Stock shifter is in the car now. Now to get the new shifter on the car without being fed from the top. On today's adventures, we're changing out the shifter. So you can see the new shifter's in. I just lowered the transmission a little bit more to get it to squeeze in. Normally you have to feed the shifter in through here, but not today. So I lowered the transmission more, got it squeezed in. We're getting it all together. Gonna get the shifter linkage back together. Gonna get everything good, everything ready to go on. I'm excited how it's gonna be with the new shifter on. You get this bracket all squared away. So, gonna tighten it up right now. Can't really record with anything because it's above me and you need some serious light. So we're gonna continue with the change and we'll see in a few. All right, so right now, tightening the shifter on. Right now with the arm connects to the transmission. Already got the first shifter linkage done. Going to continue tightening that. Then got the bracket. And gonna be done hopefully soon. Take it for a drive, see how it is. Shifter is on. Shifter is nice and tight. Everything is good. Gonna do another check on some of the stuff in just a second. Gonna start getting these bolts on the cross member back up. So let's see what we got here. All right, so we're gonna raise it. Oh, there goes one bolt. It's all right. All right, gonna raise you up. Okay, almost there. Almost in position. Okay, so we'll start threading the bolts through. Start the threading, get that threading started. Tighten it back up. All right. Fairly wasn't too bad, but it's okay. All right, so threading has been started. Gonna raise this a little bit more. Get this back to where the position it was at. Okay, almost done. And give it a little bit of a quick spray down over here or wipe down. All right, let's tighten her up with our handy dandy impact gun. We're done. That's for me. We'll wipe down some of this excess grime and soot. Gonna get some brake cleaner. clean this stuff up. But shifter's on. Gonna complete the top portion next. Spray down this area with some brake clean. And look at that, looks remarkably better. So I'm gonna just wipe up some spots and then gonna complete the install of the MGW shifter. All right, now we're going to complete this install and then get the boot back on this. Should be a little bit of a pain, but will be worth it. All right, get this situated. Nice and tight. Don't really think that's going anywhere. Using my other hand. Works like a dream. Sounds fantastic. Close to the gears, perfect. All right, so we'll put it in reverse to get this boot back on. I'm gonna make do with what I got. It's going to be very difficult. Usually is with this MGW shifter once you're putting it back in, because the shifter itself is ginormous in comparison to the stock shifter. There's the cut. There it is. All right, fantastic. All right, so let's get this working as best as we can. Just does do the job of keeping heat into the trans tunnel. So that's the goal of this. So making sure I can see. Okay, so that's kind of set. It's kind of hard, but all right. So we're gonna complete this right now off camera, and I'll get the shifter knob on. All right, so all right, and to continue the shifter install, I'm going to get this squared away, get this set. Just to get it threaded enough. Okay, a little bit of tightness from your own wrist. Boom, centered. Ah, there it is. The amazingness of the MGW shifter. All right, shifter's on. Let's go take it for a drive. Well, there's the stock shifter. New shifter's in. New shifter's golden. Short shifts, fantastic. Short shifts, nice and crisp, amazing feel. Perfect. Stock shifter. Bushings go bad after a while. Shifter gets sloppy when you're trying to drive. You could drive from first and then go to second, and it could take you a week. So this is just so much better now. Short, crisp, it's nice. We haven't even done anything yet to this car regarding a tune, intake. We just did minor and simplistic things. Exhaust in the back, shifter, got thermostat to go on, underdrive pulleys to go on. But yeah, this is so far, it's a pretty good feel for shifting. It's a little notchy in second, but I think it'll get better as time goes on. We'll do some pulls while I'm driving it harder. Woo! Tire chirp! Tire chirp! Got it on film. Woo! Well, I'm gonna squeeze in here. Nice and short, bro. All right, so that's gonna do it for this install. I'll show you again the MGW shifter under the car right now. Zoom out, there you go. Yeah, the car is piping hot, but there it is. There's the MGW shifter. There it is, it's in the car. It's fantastic. It's a 10 out of 10 on items you need to get for a 2005 to 2009 Mustang, or also 2010 Mustang GT. It's the best thing I've ever used for shifting. Would not recommend any other shifter on these cars themselves, but this shifter is it's amazing. It's the best shifter I think I've ever had. And that's not just this particular shifter, but just all MGW shifters are just amazing. So that's gonna do it for this video, and we'll see you next time with our next update on this car. Later, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching. Tire chirp, got it on film.